Sprinkle this water around your house. Add some to your bathing water to attract favor, good luck, love, and to open your ways if you want to battle with anything that has to do with stagnation, setback, and poverty. Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to share with us how you can use camphor water to attract good luck, to eliminate bad luck from your life, to remove stagnation and poverty from your life. If this sounds like what you'd be interested to listen, please keep watching and watch how you can prepare your own at the comfort of your home. So to begin, you are going to be needing a bottle of clean water. You are going to be needing a blood camphor. Okay, this camphor is very medicinal. It's not harmful to the skin. It's something you can even eat, but we are using it for physical stuff, for external use. Please ignore the noise. My dog has refused me to make videos since today. He has been barking. Please forgive me. Then another thing you're going to be needing is six flower oil or any spiritual oil you have. So these are the three ingredients you need: your blood camphor, your six flower oil, and your water. How to make it? I'm going to go ahead to open my six flower oil. Please, to purify your six flower oil, any spiritual item you get from the market, get a salt water. Just get a bowl of water, add some salt to it, use it to wash this. As you wash it, pray that any hand that have touched it, that have contaminated it spiritually, that will make it not to be effective, that God should neutralize it. That is why some of you complain that your spiritual items doesn't work, because you don't purify them before using. I've already done that on this too. Likewise, this just if it's something that water will spoil, just sprinkle it on it and pray. So I'm going to go ahead to open my blood camphor. The black camphor is 8 pieces inside, so we are going to be using 4. Okay, so 4 is a very strong number spiritually. You can use 4, you can use 7. So now I'm going to use 4. Sorry, you have to be careful because it's very, very fragile. It's very soft. It's something that can break. So I'm being careful. So we have 4 here now. So I'm going to put it in my bottled water. Okay. I know there is one that broke, so look at it. This is how it's looking. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add my six flower oil, just some drop of it. So after dropping it, the fragrance of the water is heavenly, honestly. So this is how it's going to look like. You are going to allow it to dissolve. You can equally use your hand to break the camphor. Yes, if I want to, I usually break it before putting it inside. But because of for the purpose of this video, I just started to put it like that. So you can go ahead, break your own and pour the powder inside it for it to dissolve faster. But I'm going to leave it to sit for 24 hours until it finishes dissolving. So how do you use it? This is a very powerful water, honestly. So if you want to expose your enemies, you want to know who and who is in your life, please do this water. It's going to help you. So now this water, you can use it to take your bath. How do you use it to take your bath? Add some to your bathing water and pray. If you're a lady, you want to be attractive to the opposite sex, you want to get married, or you're married already, you want to always look attractive to your partner. Yes, do you know people pray to be attractive to their partners? Yes, because of so many things going on in this country, or in the world now rather. A married man will want to be cheating outside. So as a married woman, you should always pray to be attractive to your husband 24/7. He shouldn't have anything to do with another woman. So you can use this water to keep him to yourself, so that you don't die of infection. You don't carry diseases that you don't know where it came from because of an infidel man. Okay? So now, take this water, add to your bathing water, and pray. Then, as a man who is looking for a life partner, a man looking for a life partner, there is a difference between a wife and somebody you want to live with. A wife is somebody you want to spend your life with. If you make mistake, believe me, you may not live long to tell your stories. So when you're as a man, you should pray that God should give you the right woman that will make your life better, not the one that will make your life miserable. No, don't pray for such. Add it to your bathing water and pray. Then for good luck, for open doors, add it to your bathing water and pray. Then sprinkle it in your house. You can make as many as you want. You can even use this pot to make a bigger container. Okay, sprinkle it in your house every morning, every night. Just make a hole in this bottle. That is how I do mine. If you don't have a spray bottle, and the night before you sleep, sprinkle it around your house. Believe me, you will see the kind of positive energies that will enter that home. If your children are the type that always fight, they hate themselves, they quarrel all the time, they don't love you, they don't love anybody in the family, there are children like that. They don't want to interact with anybody. You keep bothering yourself. It's really giving you headache that your child doesn't, cooperate with his siblings or her siblings. Make this water. Make sure you sprinkle it in the house every morning and every night. Believe me, you will see the kind of peace that will return in your home. If you live with strong people, maybe you don't share apartment with people who hate you. By the time you start bathing with this and sprinkle it around the house, you will see that they will tell you why they hate you, or you will not know the reason why they hate you. Maybe somebody even made them to start hating you, or there is a character that you display that made them to hate you. One of them will be open to tell you, and you are just okay. So if it's somebody that just hates you because you're progressing, the person will just live your life, and you will not even feel the person's presence. For those that is looking for favor, maybe any kind of favor, general favor, it could be monetary favor, any kind of favor, use this every day to bathe. You can equally rub it on your hands, add it, rub it on your body. It's not going to harm you. Rub it on your body, use it to take your bath, sprinkle it around your environment. Believe me, you will see the kind of love people will show you. You'll be marveled. If you use a liquid soap to bathe, you can add some of this water to dye your bathing, dye your liquid soap. People that use liquid soap, you can add some of this to it and be using it to bathe. You will see a complete change in your life. People that used to snub you will want to associate with you. They want to come close to you. They want to laugh with you. They want to be your friends. So when you're using this, be careful so that you don't make friends with the wrong people, please, because so many people want to interact with you. So this is how powerful this camphor water is. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.